today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail confidential mode. Confidential mode is a built-in Gmail feature that helps you protect sensitive emails. It lets you set an expiration date for the message, restrict forwarding, downloading, and printing, and even require a passcode to open it. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to send more secure emails with just a couple of clicks. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. Once you're on your inbox, look for the Compose button, usually on the upper left side of the screen. Go ahead and click Compose. This opens a new message window where you can type your email as you normally would. In the Compose window, add your recipient's email address, a subject line, and start writing your message. You can do all of this before or after turning on confidential mode, but it's often easier to have your email drafted first, so you can decide what level of protection you want. Now, look along the bottom toolbar of the Compose window, where you see icons for things like attachments and emojis. Among these icons, you'll find a small padlock symbol, often combined with a little clock. This is the confidential mode icon. Click on that lock icon to open the confidential mode settings. A pop-up window will appear with several options. Here, you can set when the email will expire. For example, you can choose options like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or longer. Once that date is reached, the recipient will no longer be able to view the content of your email. Below that, you'll see options related to passcodes. You can choose to require a passcode that is sent via text message, or you can choose no passcode if you want the experience to be a bit simpler. If you turn on the passcode option, you'll need to enter the recipient's phone number as prompted on screen so that Gmail can send them a one-time code when they open the email. Take a moment to review these settings and then confirm by clicking Save. You'll see a note in your Compose window indicating that confidential mode is turned on, along with the expiration details. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email will now be delivered using Gmail's confidential mode, giving you more control over how long it can be viewed and how it can be used.